you stretch for Mama?
Look at that face. How cute. Aww.
Here's Zulu doing stretch. Oh, yeah.
Forward stretches.
Oh. Get your little girl. You stretch. Oh, stretch. Good girl. Look at you, look at you, look at you.
All right, who's ready to eat?
Ready? You guys ready for breakfast? Breakfast? Okay. Mama's gonna get it. Oh, we're running low, babe. Gotta get a new bag.
Don't you hate it when you run out of food right in the middle of pouring? Well, the advantage of Avodarum is that you can switch flavors right in the middle. Whack.
Okay. Who's ready? Let's go. Oh, Zulu, ladies first. Ladies first. Yay! And then we go to Zinga. Yay! Enjoy.
Let's check on my cuttings. I've got some coleus here that I cut off the plants in the front, and if you look closely you can see that they're starting to root. So those will be going into dirt very soon. This one here, just a little tiny root coming out. And this is the newest one here. Let's see if it's doing anything yet. Not yet, too soon. There's a story on these rocks. That's coming soon. What else have I been busy with today, Zinga? Making some cupcakes from scratch. Then there's this. Can't open the lid yet. I'll give you a hint. It's meat and vegetables. It's gonna be good. I've shown you guys this orchid yet that we bought. Very nice. And then we got this little one over here that's not looking quite as healthy. It's pretty nice. Then there's this one here. As you can see, we've started a bit of an orchid collection. And we've got this one over here. What's up, guys? You coming with us on the tour? And then there's this one, the newest one. I just bought this yesterday as a Mother's Day gift. Well, outside now, there's one more orchid to show, and I know you guys want to go out back anyway. Yeah, I know. You're like, let's go already. Yeah, they're ready to run. They're looking for squirrels. All right, so let's see. The last orchid is this one over here, which we bought from someone in our neighborhood. It's very different. It's a very little orchid. Very unique color. It's thriving out here. Oh, and then there's, of course, the original orchid. This is the first one. We have had this for years. You'll see this in the old videos with Graham and Ginger, dating back 3 years or more. So that one's been around for a long time. What's up, guys? This is another plant you'll see in the older videos. I just noticed in yesterday's bonus clip across the pool, I could see it. I was like, wow, this has been here for a while. This is a Song of India plant, and it's just been thriving for so long. A quick plant check here. This guy here, I don't know what's going on. Turning all yellow, not wanting to stand up. I think we're going to lose that one. This one's thriving pretty well. This guy here has got some weird papery thing going on. I don't know what's going on with that one. Oh, these are carrots. I don't know if I showed these, but they're growing really well. And then, of course, we got the cucumbers here. And the beans over here. Nice little bromeliad here. Okay, it's warm out here. It is 3:42 in the afternoon right now and 83 degrees here in sunny South Florida. What's up, Zinga? So guys, I don't know if you know about our website, barubus.com, but if you guys shop on Amazon, which I'm sure most people do these days, I just put some Amazon affiliate links on the site for dog products, and even if you don't buy those products, if you want to support us, you just click through those links to Amazon when you go to shop, and it'll remember that you came that way, and it'll help us out with our affiliate program. And we're planning on donating some of our proceeds to Brat, the Basenji Rescue. So that would be most appreciated. Uh-oh, the squirrel's back. At least they think it is. But yeah, if you guys can support us that way, that would be awesome. Zinga, say hi. Say hi, buddy. What are you doing? Hmm? And there's Zulu. She wants to say hi too. Yeah. He's my big boy. There's my Zulu. Aww, so cute.